Hi, my name is Ryan Hughes with Landscape Legends. We build websites for businesses in the lawn care and landscaping industry, and in this video I'm going to be answering the question of how does a website actually get you clients? Now the reason I'm making this video is because I was having a conversation with someone who I was talking with who was interested in investing in a website, but they didn't understand exactly what the website was going to do for them and how it would get them clients. Now I'm going to go over the three main things that you need to consider and three principles you need to build your website around to help you actually get clients from your website. You can build a website and not get clients with it, but if you build a website with this approach, it'll help you get more landscaping clients. And these three key pillars are traffic, trust, and conversion. Now I'm going to get more into each of these here briefly. Number one, traffic. You need to get found by people looking for your services. And the main way that we help or you can help your website get more traffic is by building it in a manner that gets found on Google through SEO. That's search engine optimization. And as you can see here, here's one of our clients, Woody's Home and Lawn Services. He's based in Quakertown, Pennsylvania. As you can see, when someone is searching for a Quakertown, Pennsylvania lawn care company, our client is the first one showing up on the Google Maps pack, but it's also the first website showing up on just the regular search results. Now, to show up here, you have to have a Google Business Profile, but when you attach a properly built website to your Google Business Profile, it boosts your Google Business Profile as well. And lastly, this is just because he's showing up first here because the website that we built him is built in a way that gets him to the top of Google, so that Google knows what services he provides and where he provides them. So this is a common thing that isn't done right on websites. They're not optimized for Google, and if they are optimized, they're not optimized very well. So having a website that's optimized to get found on Google by people looking for your services will be huge in helping you get found by new eyes who have maybe never heard of your company before, but come across you, see your good reviews, come across your company, and request services from there. Now, number two, once we have people visiting your website, you have the traffic, you need to gain their trust. So a properly built website is going to increase trust with prospective clients and also increase their confidence in working with you. And there's a few things that we really want to point out here. Number one, your Google star rating or your Facebook star rating or your Yelp star rating. Showcase your reviews, because when people, like if someone lands on this website and they've never heard of No Mo Worries Lawn Care, they're going to see 4.8 star rating. They're going to see neighborhood fave award from Nextdoor, and then they're going to see I can't read that, another award that this company won. We're showcasing these to increase the prospective client's confidence in hiring our client here, No Mo Worries, because they see that and they can tell that this is a company that does good work. People obviously like working with them because they have a 4.8 star rating and they've won a few awards. Those are the signs of a reputable company that people are confident to work with. And then on top of that, something that this specific website probably could do a little bit better, but as you can see here, so this is a video playing in the background on the actual website, but in the screenshot, you can see somebody working in the background in branded gear. This is another one of those small things, but when people see that, they subconsciously have more confidence in you because they see, oh, this is a legit company. They've got a real crew with real uniforms and real trucks with their logos on it. This isn't just some fly-by-night kind of guy with a mower in the back of his pickup truck. And unfortunately, when you don't build your website properly, or you're just using kind of like a starter website that you built on Wix or on GoDaddy, you don't gain that same sense of trust and confidence from prospects, which I'm not knocking building a website on Wix or GoDaddy. Those are great platforms to get your business started. But when you're really looking to take it to the next level and grow significantly, that's going to hold you back because people just aren't going to necessarily take you as seriously. And when you're in a big competitive market, you've really got to stick out. So you want to showcase those reviews, those awards, and show your team so that people can put a face to your company. Lastly, conversion. When people land on their website and you gain their trust, you then need to convert them into a lead so that they actually contact you for services. You'd be surprised, but there's a lot of websites out there that you just can't find contact information on. It seems like something simple, but you need to make it stupid simple for people to request a quote. And what we found with all of the websites that we've built for lawn care and landscaping companies is that the ones that generate the most leads have this form right here off to the side or kind of down on the bottom, because it's stupid simple. You land on this website, okay, leading Jordan Landscaping Company, we've got 5-star reviews on Google and Facebook. Scroll down, maybe see some of the services they offer. Okay, yep, let me just fill out this form. I'll request a free quote, and they'll be in contact with me. There's no thinking about it. There's no searching around, trying to copy and paste phone numbers. It's stupid simple, like I said. And on top of that, on your mobile version of your website, you also want to be sure to have your phone number so that it's clickable, so that people don't have to copy and paste your phone number or try to jump back and forth between apps to type it in. Just make it clickable so that people can click it and call you right away. So if you're in the position where you're looking to invest in a website, but you don't know what benefits you're going to get out of it, just remember, when a properly built website will get you more traffic, it will gain the trust of prospective clients for you and kind of do some of the selling up front for you, do some of the heavy lifting, and then people will also maybe be willing to pay an extra 10-15% to work with you because they trust you and have confidence in you. And lastly, it'll make it easy for people to convert into leads and contact you for services. Now, if you want me and my team at Landscape Legends to build a website for you using these exact principles, visit wearelandscapelegends.com, click Get Started, and request your intro call. We'll hop on a quick call just so I can get to know more about your business and find the best game plan in your specific situation. And lastly, if you found this video helpful, please leave a big thumbs up down below.